Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well and keeping safe. If you're new to my channel, my name is Irene. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell notification, leave comments and share if you like this video. I'm not going to rant on, I'm just going to go straight into the point. So we're going to do a quick DIY on my MALM chest drawers. This is part 2 of the first one. I'm going to link it up at the top so that you can click and watch the first one and you know the reason why I'm basically doing the second one. So I'm just going to go through quickly the stuff that I'm going to use, and then in case you want to go ahead and do it, I'm also going to link them in the description below, and then you can just click and purchase what you need. So the first thing we're going to need is a drawer handle. Now the one that I'm using is 160 millimeters in black, and this is how it looks. Basically it comes in a pack of 10 and it comes with the screwdriver, but because I'm not using the screw today, I'm going to be using the E6000 plus. This is what a lot of the people recommend. It holds, but if you cannot get this, you can also use the Gorilla Glue, the clear one. That will also help you. This can also be purchased on eBay. I'm going to link this and this below in the description box, where you can obviously click and also order your own. You're also going to need your spirit level to make sure that everything you're going to put on your drawers is straight, and you're going to need your measuring tape to make sure that you get the distance in between them correct. So as you can see behind me here, I have already done 2. So I left these overnight to make sure that it dries really well. Before you do it, kindly empty everything in your drawer, okay? Because you're going to need to leave this drawer upside down to dry properly overnight. That's my recommendation. However way you want to do it, it's up to you, but that's how I'm going to recommend it. So I'm just going to explain to you quickly how I got my center points, and then obviously you can also do the same, or you can do it however way you want. So from the center point here to the end of each one is 32 centimeters, and then from the top to the bottom here is 20 centimeters, but the half point is 10 centimeters. So between this and that is 10 centimeters wide, and then obviously all you're going to do is just put your E600 plus glue at the knob, just a tiny bit at these knobs, and you're going to put it on, and then you're going to leave it. So I'm just going to roll the video, and then obviously you're going to see how I do it. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos, and yes, comment, like and share, and let me know what you think. And until the next video, take care, stay safe.